The Swedish Transport Administration have plans to rebuild the E22 between Lösen and Jämjö. This will improve the traffic safety and passability on this stretch of the motorway. The living environment of the local population will be improved, as the heavy traffic will no longer have to pass through the town centre. The standard of the existing road is low in relation to the heavy traffic volume. Transit traffic is mixed with local and slow-moving vehicles. Speeds of 30, 50 and 70 km per hour on several stretches make passability limited. The rebuilding begins east of Lyckebyån and covers a total of 50 kilometers. From Lyckebyån to RAMDALA, the road will be built over the existing route. North of Jämjö, there will be a new bypass to be connected to the existing road at NORRA BINGA. In conjunction with the refurbishment, other improvements will be made. Swedish Transport Administration are planning better local roads, noise barriers, street lighting and wildlife protection. As well as a new traffic circle, a new commute parking lot and a new safer bus stop are also planned for Lösen. This will improve the commute to and from schools and workplaces. To improve the living environment in the area, several types of noise barriers are planned along the route. To handle the large traffic volume between Lösen and TORSTAVA, each direction will have 2 lanes. The traffic circle in Lösen is designed as an overhead roundabout with walking and cycling crossing points which do not interfere with the motorized traffic. Walking and cycling routes are planned along the entire route from Lösen to Jämjö. New street lighting will be added between Lösen and TORSTAVA. On the route Lösen to RAMDALA, there will be a parallel road network for local and slow-moving vehicles. The local road network is connected to the new traffic interchanges at Lösen, TORSTAVA and RAMDALA for easy access. This will make it safer and easier for local transport to reach the area. The new intersection in TORSTAVA has a design that prioritizes road safety for pedestrians and cyclists. At the intersection there will be new bus stops and a new car park for commuters. East of TORSTAVA the traffic is decreasing, and this section of the road is planned as a 2+1 road. The substantial agricultural traffic in the road is directed as well as pedestrians and cyclists to a new local road on the north side of the new E22. A new traffic interchange is planned in RAMDALA. 3 new bridges are planned, reducing E22's barrier effects and promoting accessibility for pedestrians, cyclists, local traffic and agricultural machinery. In the traffic area, new bus stops and a parking lot are planned. People traveling to Jämjö will turn off the E22 in RAMDALA on the road that was previously part of the E22. To reduce the noise levels for the residents, there will be noise barriers. East of RAMDALA and north of Jämjö, there will be a new bypass. The existing roads will cross the new road on bridges or through road gates. Along the entire road from Lösen past Jämjö, a fence to help prevent wildlife accidents will be built. and in several locations there will be road gates to create passages for outdoor life. There are a number of measures in these plans to mitigate the negative effects on the environment. North of Jämjö, for example, plans are being made to protect the water supply. At NORRA BINGA, the old road from Jämjö will connect to the new E22. This intersection has significantly less traffic and is therefore designed as a regular three-way intersection. Project goals: to improve passability and safety on the E22 route between Lösen and Jämjö, to decrease traffic disturbance for the local population in Jämjö, to create a functioning local network for forestry and agricultural machinery, to solve the problem with flooding in RAMDALA.